Back in April, we traveled to Cape Coral, Florida to visit family. While in Cape Coral, we decided to take a ride out to Sanibel Island, Captiva Island, and Matlacha. Sadly, a lot of the devastation that came with Hurricane Ian back in October of 2022 can still be seen. As we enter onto the Sanibel Causeway, we look back and remember the strength and the power of Hurricane Ian. It was a deadly and extremely destructive Category 5 Atlantic hurricane. It was the deadliest and the third most costly hurricane to hit Florida since 1935. And it was the strongest hurricane to make landfall in Florida since Hurricane Michael in 2018. As you can see, most all of the causeway and the Causeway Islands Park are still under construction. After the Sanibel Causeway was built to replace the ferry in May of 1963, the city was incorporated in 1974, and the residents of the island took control over development, helping to maintain a balance between development and preservation of the island's ecology. Today, Sanibel is a popular tourist attraction known for its shell beaches and wildlife refuges. Over half of the island remains a wildlife refuge. Knowing all of this makes it hard to see the destruction left by Hurricane Ian still today on the island. That's insane. Look at that. The trees and the mangroves are probably all that saved a lot of these houses. This bridge, known as Blind Pass over the saltwater channel, brings you from Sanibel Island into Captiva. This area is lined with beaches that are renowned for its shelling. Shot I wanted and I missed the last Even though much devastation can still be seen, there are so many signs of regrowth, rebuilding, and strength in this area. Floridians are resilient. They move forward with positivity, letting nothing stop them. Before heading on to Matlacha, we stopped for lunch at Bimini Bait Shack. What a great find this was. So many unexpected sights within this establishment. Very cool. Bob and I highly recommend stopping here if you're in the area.
Sanibel Causeway, they call it.
The things we saw here were incredible. You can sit on a swing at the bar, and it's pretty cool how the entertainment stage is set up on a loft above the bar. Wow. Until doing research on Bimini Bait Shack, I had no idea the bar top was actually an aquarium for bait fish. But for me, hands down, the best experience was when I walked into the bathroom. It was as if I was transported underwater. And yeah, when I looked up, it was quite evident. And you don't miss a beat hearing performers' music. It's played over the speakers, even in the bathroom. Bimini Bait Shack is located in Punta Rossa, Florida, just before you get to the Sanibel Causeway. Hey there, handsome.
Come on.
Always got to add that in my video. Lila parks. She makes her own parking spaces. Now we make our way to Matlacha. Matlacha, Florida, is an old fishing village, home to many brightly colored art galleries, island boutiques, seafood restaurants, and traditional Florida cottages. Sadly, the village was mostly devastated by Hurricane Ian. I slowed the footage down here a bit since the area is so small and our travel through it went so quickly, just so that you can get an idea of the devastation. Our hearts go out to all of those who have suffered so dearly from Hurricane Ian. Enjoying our last sunset. And sunrise before heading out. Our time here in Cape Coral has come to an end. It's time to head back to Crystal River and pack up camp before we head back to New York to visit family for the summer months. We hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe and leave a comment. We'd love to hear from you. All right, guys, it's always a pleasure. Until the next one, God bless and have a great day.